Hey, what's up guys, Keith here. I got this 128GB variant of the iPhone 11 for $51,000 on Amazon this festive season. I know it's a great deal. This version was worth $73,000 last month. Then on October 13th, the iPhone 12 was launched and the 11 got a price cut. Amazon then reduced the price further, and on using my friend's HDFC card, this is the cheapest it could get. So let's open it up. It's quite easy to peel off the plastic wrapper without any tools. Good job, Apple. Here's the handset. Some paperwork and stickers to turn your Windows PC into Mac. This is the last time we're seeing the charger and the earpods included in the box. Nasty Apple. I'll keep that rant for another video. Let's talk about the form factor. The iPhone 11 has the same notch and a 6.1-inch low-res liquid retina display. On the back, it has a primary and an ultra-wide shooter on a matte platform and a glossy back panel, which are milled from a single slab of glass. I've put a Spigen clear case for some protection, and I'm liking the extra grip and confidence. Let's talk about the experience. The thing that makes iPhone so good is the fusion of Apple's own hardware and Apple's own software. The display is 60Hz, but it is the smoothest feeling 60Hz out there thanks to 120Hz touch response rate. The A13 Bionic is the second most powerful chipset in any phone after Apple's own A14. iOS 14 has brought widgets and an app library, which makes this the perfect time for Android users to give the iPhone a try. I'll be showing more of the stuff in the review coming out soon, so stay tuned and subscribe.